In this multi-part tutorial, we show you how to install OpenREM for use within a medical institution. The intended audience are medical physicists, but this tutorial will be useful for anyone wanting to understand what's involved to set up such a system. OpenREM is an open source patient dose monitoring system originally authored by Ed McDonough, copyright held by the Royal Marsden and supported by the wider community. It supports common modalities such as CT, fluoroscopy, mammography, and X-ray. It assists the medical physicists in gathering radiation dose data, allowing them to in turn make optimizations, improve patient exposure, and meet regulatory requirements. Although OpenREM supports multiple platforms, in this series we will focus on setup on Windows 10. We'll work through installing OpenREM, supporting frameworks, as well as cover a couple important integration pieces. This tutorial is primarily built from documentation available via the OpenREM doc pages, with only some minor deviations. Any downloads, scripts, or other reference material you might need will link in via the video descriptions. We make some assumptions during the tutorial, including that you have administrative rights to install things on your computer. Although you can install direct on your desktop, we suggest setup within a virtual machine with snapshot capabilities to allow you to easily roll back if any mistakes are made. Check out the video description links for some reference material on this point. OpenREM can be fairly resource intensive, and system requirements vary depending on how heavily it's used. We suggest at least 4 cores and 8 GB of RAM. At the end of this tutorial, you will have a working OpenREM system, and after importing some DICOM files, you will be able to monitor, report, and optimize radiation dose within your institution or research setting. With that in mind, let's get right to it, starting with setting up Python and supporting modules. See you in the next part.